directly as Q. And the P, you're given the value of P to be 6 when Q is 2. Before you move on, you have to change this to equation. By changing this one to equation, you are going to use what? A constant. That will be P equals to what? KQ. Where K is the what? Constant. So we can then find the value of K. Because the question asks you, find the formula connecting P and Q. That means find the constant, then put it in the equation. That will be your answer. So let's find the value of K. So the P here is 6, while Q is what? 6K times Q, which is what? 2. Don't forget we are looking for what? K. Divide both sides by what? 2. 2. So that means K equals to what? 3. That's not the final answer. You are going to replace the value of the constant in this what? Equation. That means we are going to have P equals to what? 3Q. This is the answer. And that's option what? Option C. So 15. We have solved the equation. X minus 3 divided by 6 equals x minus 5 divided by what? 4. So in this, 2 can go in this one. That gives what? 3. 2 can go here. That gives what? 2. So LCM will be what? 6. So multiply both sides by what? 6. That means this multiply by 6. This multiply by 6. 3 here 1, 3 here what? 2. 3 here 1, 3 here. 2 here 1, 2 here what? 3. Right? So 2x minus what? 6 equals to what? 3x minus what? 15. 2x minus 3x equals what? Minus 15 plus what? 6. You collect like terms. You collect like terms. 3x is coming there, it turns what? Minus. While this minus 6 going there, it turns what? Plus. So which means I'm adding 6 to both sides and at the same time subtracting 3x from what? Both sides. Is that clear? So that gives minus x equals minus 15 plus 6. Minus 15 plus 6 is 9. So therefore, minus cancel minus. X equals what? 9. I think I taught you 2 methods then. So the first one is this. Use the 10 you have in the first bracket to open the second bracket. So meaning I'll pick these 2x. I'll use it to multiply everything x minus 3. I'll pick it remains minus 1. Minus 1 to multiply everything, that's x minus 3. Am I with you? So you can then open. So 2x times x. 2x squared. 2x times minus 3 minus 6x. Then minus 1 times x. That's minus x. Minus 1 times minus 3. Plus 3. Good. So we can then, this and this are the same. We can have 2x squared minus 6x minus x minus 7x plus what? 3. This will be the answer. Then question number 17. You have if 2x squared minus 3x equals 8. Minus 3y equals 8. Find the positive value of x when y is equal to 14. That means we are going to put the value of y to be what? 14 here. We replace it. That means we have 2x squared minus 3. The value of y is what now? 14. So we put 14 in brackets. Equals what? 8.
2x squared.
So that will be 2x squared
Minus 42.
minus 42 equals what? 8. So this will be 2x squared equals 8 plus 42. That is 2x squared equals what? 50. Divide both sides by what? 2. That will be 2x squared. X squared equals to what? 25. Then you can find the square root of both sides. That will give you x equals to plus or minus square root 25. Then x equals to what? Plus or minus what? 5. So the positive value of x is what? X is what? 5. 3 into bracket 4a plus 7 minus 3 into 2a minus what? 5. So we open the bracket, then we simplify. Am I with you? So that means 3 times 4a, 12a, plus 3 times 7, 21, minus 2 times 2a, 4a, minus 2 times minus 5, plus 10. Please be careful with this minus. 12a minus 4a plus 21 plus 10. This gives us 8a plus 31. Answer. When 2 is added to 2/5 of a certain number, the first thing is what that certain number. Let the certain number be, let the number be what? X. So 2 is added to 2/5. 2/5 is 2/5 of this. Then 2 is added to it, plus 2. The result equals to what? 6. Find the number. So this one is straightforward. That means you are going to have 2x/5 equal to 6 minus 2, right? Am I making sense?
Yes.
So this will give us 2x/5 equals what? 4. So multiply both sides by 5. Of course, multiply. So you have 2x equals what? 20. Divide both sides by 2. So x equals what? 10. Number 20.
If X varies inversely as P.
No, this is another question on variation. X varies inversely. X varies inversely. That inverse means 1/P. So x varies inversely as what? P squared. So we given that means x will be equal, so we introduce our constant again. Our constant will be k divided by what? P squared. Right? So we are given the value of x to be what now? 2. That will be 2 equals k. Then p is what? 4. That is 4 squared. So that means k is equal to 2 times what? 16. Then k is what? 32. Right? That's how we are going. Find the formula connecting x and p. You can see the first question they asked on variation. Find the formula connecting p and p. Sometimes they will ask you find the relationship between the variables. Find formula connecting this and this. They are asking the same thing. Or they can say what is the relationship between this and this? The same question, but in different way. Am I with you? So in that case, we just put this into what? Into this. That means x will be equal to 32 divided by what? P squared. Is that clear? Simplify 70 minus 3t, 70 minus 3t plus 40 minus 5t, right? Simplify 70 minus 3t plus 40. So what you're going to do here, combine the one with positive. So I now make this. Now 70, this one is positive, plus 40 minus 3t minus 5t, right? So this will give us 11t. This gives us minus 8t. Am I with you? Yes, sir. So this gives 3 what? T. Question 23 says, which of the following inequalities is represented in the figure below? So we are doing equality this. We have 2. I will not draw everything. We have 1. We have minus 1. We have zeros. So we then have on 2, we have this, and it's facing this side. This one is shaded. Now I noticed this. You don't usually make this mistake. Let me stop it at this place. Some of you will pick 0 as part of your answer. It's not where the arrow is stopping. We are looking at where the arrow is starting. Are you with me? This is not the arrow. You consider where the arrow is starting from. So, firstly, this place is shaded, which means your answer will be what? Equals to. There will be equals to your answer. And secondly, this arrow is facing this side. If you remove this arrow, it looks like what? Less than. Isn't it? Right? Then this one is what? Shaded. Put equals under it. What do you have here? 2. Put 2 here. Then put your x here. That's the answer. If it's not shaded, this one will not be there. You just remove it. But since this is shaded, you have this. But in a situation where you have this, you can have combined inequality. Please look up. You can have combined inequalities. That one is the simplest. You have 2 here. Let's say we have -1 here. You then have this, you have this here. Are you with me? They are joined together. They now ask you to find the inequalities. How are you going to do that? Assuming this is shaded. Now, this arrow of this one is going to this side. We are going to have x at the middle. Are you with me? This one is facing this side. This one that is facing this side will be less than x less than what? 2. Are you with me? X less than 2. That's for this one. What about for this one? X is what? Greater than equals to x greater than equals to -1. You now reverse this. You reverse this. So it will turn to -1 less than equals to what? X. So this will then be -1 less than equals to, this will be the answer. You have this combined inequality, right? Let's start with this one. If you want to write this, this is what? X. The line is starting from this way, going towards this. That is what? Less than, isn't it? Less than. Because this is how it will look like, right? Why this one is going this way? Greater than. Are you with me? So x less than what? 2. Why this one is what? X greater than equals to -1. Because this one is shaded. Now we want to combine these together. Are you with me? We have to change the first one, which is this one. We have to change it. You know, when if you have 2, 5, what symbol are you going to put here? Less than or greater than? We put less than. But if I have to change the position of this, I have 5 here, I have 2 here. What will I do? What will I put here? Greater than. The same thing with this one. Because I'm bringing this one to this side and taking this one to this side. To now do what? -1 and less than equals to what? X. I've changed it. I'm still saying the same thing. If x is greater than equals to -1, it's same as saying what? -1 is less than equals to what? X. So I have this one. Now -1 less than equals to what? X. So I can then combine it with this one. This one is what? X less than 2. So instead of me to write x again, this x is less than 2. That's the answer.